tied to the bed, and with all these earthquakes, something broke. The tranquilizing gas is leaking. You need to get out of here. Find a yellow key card and activate whatever's necessary to get me untied. Jesters smell funny when they're dead. We don't want that now, do we? Okay, that wasn't it. Now you're stuck in here with me. Looks like we've got to stop the circulation manually first. I've seen them set it up. You can do that through the monitors. The last monitor is the one responsible for the tranquilizing gas in the room. If we can somehow overwhelm it, it might just turn itself off. It has to, otherwise we'd be done for. You need to listen to me very carefully, okay? See that movable panel on the left? That's used to send electric shots at a target. You're going to use it to turn the monitors on one by one. Start with the one nearest to the door. That's the core power unit. You can transfer electricity through these monitors, but some of them are faulty, so make sure to only charge the ones that aren't dead. Make sure a monitor is only charged when the frequencies of both the panel and the monitor match. Any mistake can make the entire room go kaboom. Got it? Okay, looks like the circulation is off, but residue of the gas is still in the room. We're still not safe. Find a way to untie me. Phew, that was a close one. That gas was more deadly than my jokes. Thank you for saving me. I owe you. I'm 17. A jester here to fulfill your day with my jokes. I've never seen you around before. You must be new. Darn! I almost forgot about the gas. Let's get out of here and we'll talk more outside. Something tells me this new friendship will bring nothing but laughs so intense you will feel them pierce your chest. Hello, 6.
What happened to you, 17?
I was left for dead. Or until tomorrow. But your friend here saved the day. It's nice to see you again, 8. And you, Truffle Toot.
You said he helped you? Well, we also need your help with something.
Of course! Anything after what was done for me.
But we'd still need one more body. What was that?
Whoa! Hey, girl. What are you doing out here all by yourself? Are you lost?
And that makes us complete. 17, you saw that room with the big door? Let's all rendezvous there.
Wait! Want to hear a joke first?
Save it for later. For now, we gotta go.
Kitty and I are right behind you. Does Six know what's behind this door? I don't, but I've heard the sounds. Something tells me it's nothing pretty. Like I said, I owe you, and I'll go through with it if you want me to. But just thought I'd let you know how I feel about all of this.
Alright, let's spread, and each of us pick a plate to stand on. New guy, the surprise is for you, remember? You stand in the one in the middle. I can't promise it'll be a room full of Pancreas's level of awesomeness, but I'm sure you'll love it.